It's story time with Parikshet. The story's name is The Smart Monkey. Once upon a time, there was a monkey and two zebras and a boy. The boy was walking in the zoo. He was seeing all the animals. Then the zookeeper heard a noise like this roar. You know what was the noise? Of course you don't know. It is the voice was of the lion. And the lion was very, very, very hungry. He jumped out of the fence. Then he was waiting to somebody come and he would eat him. Then the monkey asked the zookeeper, "Can you give me some meat?" Then the zookeeper gave the monkey some meat. Then the monkey threw the meat into the lion's fence. Then the lion smelled the meat. Then he jumped back into the meat and from the zookeeper, the fence was even higher. Then because the lion could not jump over the fence. And the moral of the story is always be smart. And did you love this story? Isn't it was nice?
Then what?
Another story to come with Parikshet.
This story time with Parikshet.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.